Have a leak in your polytubing, but don't have the right fittings to make the repair? Outside of the traditional repair couplings, there is one more way you can repair polytubing and, well, almost any kind of pipe or tubing type, and that's self-fusing repair tape. This stuff will bond with almost anything, which makes it an amazing catch-all for various sizes of polytubing runs. Or it can just act as a holdover until you can order some repair couplings. Repairs can be made wet or dry, even while water is running, as long as the system operating pressure is below 35 psi. Here, we have some damaged 3/4 inch tubing. Now, we bought a lot of 1/2 inch repair couplings with us today, but that's obviously not going to do the trick on 3/4 inch tubing. So for this, we're going to use this repair tape. So all you have to do is take a strip of it off. It's perforated to make it easy. Remove the plastic. Be very careful not to fold this back on itself or you're going to waste a piece. And then you wrap it around the damage. Just make sure it gets nice and tight. The tighter it is, the better the bond is going to be. Start wrapping your tape 1/2 inch from the damaged part of the poly tubing. Then make one complete wrap while pulling the tape very tight. Continue tightly wrapping over the damaged area, overlapping the tape by half its own width on each pass. Continue wrapping the tape back and forth over the repair while pulling the tape tightly, extending at least one full width of tape on each side of the repair. Keep in mind, if the tape is not pulled tightly while wrapping, it could result in an imperfect seal. Feel free to apply additional layers if the damage to the tubing is severe. And when you do have time to finally make a permanent repair, the tape is easy to remove and leaves no sticky or gummy residue behind. Repair tape can also be used on PVC pipe too. And if you're worried you'll lose track of where your repairs are located, it also comes in a high-vis yellow color. And to make a permanent repair, check out our video, How to Repair Drip Irrigation Tubing, in the top right or description below. This tape can be great if you have a lot of pesky pests that love chewing on your irrigation lines, and it's definitely recommended over duct tape or electrical tape for irrigation lines. But it's safe to say we'd all probably prefer not to have to repair our irrigation lines. There are some ways to prevent pests from chewing on your lines. I made a video you can check out in the top right or description below on how to prevent polytubing damage from a variety of common causes, like pests.